Hey guys, so it is about 10 o'clock. I don't actually know what the proper time is. I'm wearing my Las Vegas hat, and it is Monday the 7th of May, and I know it's like light out, it's very early, and I'm not at school. That's not a big deal, to be honest. It's May Day, bank holiday, so we're not at school, and I'm so happy. And so yes, it's not doing what I want it to. Wait, it's probably taking about 60. But we are going to the beach each. Yeah, I don't know what I was trying to do there. So it's May Day Beach Day, because it is well hot right about now. It's like, I don't know, it's about 15 degrees right now. The highest it's gonna get is like 20, and I was like, Mum, we need to do something on Monday rather than just sit around the house, because we didn't do a lot on Saturday. It was really nice on Saturday. We went out for dinner yesterday, and so today we're going to the beach. So, and I'm going to film there, so let's go.